Assalamu rahmatullah. So these are the purple rain potatoes that we are cultivating for seeds, because in Pakistan the main season is in winter, where we in the lower areas of Pakistan the main crop season is in winter. We plant them in end of October, November time, and then we harvest them in before spring. I think February they get harvested, and here we are the end of April. So we planted these ones just to keep the seed for the next season. Alhamdulillah, this is performing well. The plants did well, and the results are quite good. So we can show you how one of the plants looks like without pulling it out yet. So alhamdulillah, you can see quite a lot of potatoes right on top. We don't dig them too deep in when we are planting, so they kind of are right on the top. We just mulch them heavily, so you can see alhamdulillah there's good amount of potatoes. Still the plant is live, it's not dead, but we'll go ahead inshallah and pull them out. Bismillah. Oh, this is the other potato plant. This is not this one, but anyway. So this is kind of from one plant. Perhaps one of the potatoes are pulled from the other side, but it's kind of one plant. This is the harvest from two plants, and I've left the plants in. We'll carry on and we'll show you towards the end what do we get in total. I was kind of digging around trying to find out where did this plant come from, because here is one plant of potatoes, the other one is there. It's right in the center. I do not feel any potato around it. I don't know how. Maybe it's one of the shoots, I'm not sure. So we're gonna leave that, not disturb it too much. Pick the ones which are right in front and ready. These are the bitter gourds that we planted. So now as we are harvesting these, they're getting ready, they're establishing themselves, so they'll shoot on. I just pulled the potato from the top of this extension. This is new to me, because generally when they grow a potato at the top, they don't grow any shoots. They don't grow any roots along the way. I don't know, this is new to me. Perhaps somebody has got an experience of this. So we'll just bury it down again, because I'm thinking maybe this is gonna grow a new plant. Then again, I've experienced this kind of growth at the top of the potato plants, right above the ground, which kind of looks like Jerusalem artichoke extensions to me. When the Jerusalem artichoke grows along the stem, that becomes like this. So I don't know, first time growing this in this environment and experiencing new things. See, once again there is a potato, there's another one growing, or perhaps that's going to become a stem, I'm not sure. So here is a shoot going. Generally what I've experienced so far is that one of these grows one potato, that's it. But this one has got a string of potatoes along, 4 at the moment, and you can see the roots as well. So anybody who has experience, do let us know. This is new to us. Next we're going to be coming around and harvesting these peas, because they are done as well.